Okay, day 13, and here it is. Let's see what we have today. Ooh, I pushed that one and I shouldn't have. At least it went down. What do we have here? Looks like it might be a cat, but I'm not positive. Let's find out. I don't know what's around the cat is the thing. Here, grab a scrap piece of paper here. Oh, it is. All right. Okay, we got a cat to play with today. Let me see what I can find in my stash to play with. As luck would have it, I had some cat and dog paper, so I pulled out the cat pieces. So I have my scrap to stamp my image on and my ink. And then from that paper, I pulled in these three. This is the bowls and a cat toy and all that other stuff. And then this is fish with a heart. And this one says, love means purr, snooze, your paws, jump. So a lot of different things like that. I have a piece of black that I'm going to mount this on. This is going to go on my red, and then this is going to go over. I have my 1 1/4 inch punch for my little cat. I have a sentiment, and it says, may your day... Okay, it says, I hope your day is a real treat. And I'm going to stamp it in black. And then from the 1 1/2 inch circle, I punched a piece of red. So the first thing I'm going to do is stamp my cat. I don't know why I default to circles. Maybe I need for the next set to do squares for these. Okay. And there's my cat. And it looks like he's got a little bird on his head. I'm not going to worry about the bird at this point. So I'm going to set that there. And, oh, what did I do with that piece of paper? Oh, there it is. I need that for my sentiment. So let me go ahead and stamp it. Okay. And I'm going to trim that down. So I'll do that in a minute. Let's get our card put together. I hope you've enjoyed the other ones. These are quick and easy cards. There's nothing elaborate about them. So I just thought, well, hey. And I didn't get my, hang on. Okay. Now I have my ATG device. We all call it ATG. Oh, it's Advanced Tape Glider Gun. Okay, but it was like, that's really interesting. I always thought it was Advanced Tape Gun. All right. Let me add this to my card base, and I have to make sure my words go the right way. All right, this one goes across next. So I'm going to add it. All right. This one I'm going to put on. I never put that on tight till I know it's going to work, in case I have to take it apart and fix it. All right. And I'm going to put this on flat also. I want it this way. What am I thinking? I'm going to pull it over just a little. Now my little kitty goes on. Oh, I used a scrap paper. This I'm going to put on with foam adhesive. And again, I'm just going to use 2. All right. There. And he's going to go right there. And now let me trim this down. Okay, I decided to trim this down and mount it on a piece of black. And the reason being is when I put it, you know, I tested it and it was lost. So I needed a backing. All right. And I think I'm going to put it there. So let me get some foam adhesives on here. Okay. Come on. Didn't want to come off. All right, let's put it right about there. Oops, make sure it's straight. And there's today's idea. I'm working my way through. I hope you're enjoying this. Have a great day. Bye.